2017 Toyota Yaris IA. No start. First would not communicate with the scan tool. Had to manually enter the VIN number. Then I got the codes out. No communication with PCM number 2, and that's, I believe, which one was it? Engine 2. Fuse right here. So replace the fuse. After that, well, it's got a couple grounds disconnected, and I have no idea if they have anything to do with the engine, but I just hooked them up to be safe. So after that I got the car to run, but I was very skeptical because the ignition key symbol was on the dash, and the guys are restoring this car. They removed the CRS module to be reset, and if I go in a smart key, where am I? Yeah, okay, if I go here, yeah, that's pretty much, I believe it's lighting up this light simply because of this, the battery and the because the CRS module is out of here. So I guess this car is done for right now. Working. Okay. Transmission. Well, it does see the key, so yes, it's all good. So in case if you got no communication with the scanner, check the engine fuses, and that's that could be it.